Out of mine.
Alright, go ahead, go. It's not loud enough. Hit red light.
No, it's not already, man.
Should have done it on yours. I want to hear yours.
Oh yeah, you know what?
Yeah, because I'm already videotaping it.
I'm doing so loud, it's fucking splashing.
Oh my. The wheel's not even moving. Mark.
Right? I like that though. Sounds nice. It has that nice like backfire sound to it.
Yeah, yours has more of an echoing.
Rev, no.
Deep.
Here. Videotape mine. I don't know if it's gonna be loud. We'll probably have to get really close.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, like, go ahead and review. I want to review it after.
Yeah, right?
But we all know who's the loudest, so I just want to hear what mine is. I need to get gas.
Yeah, let's go.
It's alright, man, but your shit is turbo, so it don't matter.
Yeah, you're right.
Sounds good.
Dude, you going for the sleeper look, bro. Keep it that way.